Let me take you through how to join the 1 Minute Practice program. Firstly, you go to 1minutepractice.com, so www.oneminutepractice.com. Go up to the top of that page, go to Join Now. Yes, 1 Minute Practice is now open to join. Scroll down the page. I understand that by taking quick action today, my membership is locked in at today's rate. You can cancel any time. You understand that the 1 Minute Practice program is built on a number of users basis, so the membership that you require depends on how many professionals will be accessing the system, including all active therapists and admin team members. You understand if you're not fully satisfied for whatever reason, within 30 days following the data purchase, you can cancel your membership and get 100% of your money back, including we'll even refund any setup payments. So we scroll down the page. You now have to decide how big a license you want. We have a 1 to 10 user license, there's an 11 to 20 user license, or a 21 to 30 user license. If you have more than that or you need more licenses than that, please contact us at admin@healthbusinessprofits.com and we can organise a membership for you. Now for each of the license levels, you'll see there is a Join Now with Setup Assistance or Join Now without Setup Assistance. We do highly recommend that you take us up on our Setup Assistance offer. Now, whilst 1 Minute Practice is very simple to use, you'll be able to get your program set up faster by getting one of our team members to take you through a Setup Assistance session. Let's say I've decided to take a 1 to 10 user license, and as recommended, I'm going to take the option of having the Setup Assistance. So I'm going to join now with Setup Assistance. So you click the button. You'll see the item at the top we're going to order. It's a 1 Minute Practice, 1 to 10 user license. I go and put my first name and last name in here. And your email address. I choose a username. Now, very important here in your username, this should be your practice name. So again, your practice name should be your username. No spaces between each word. For example, if my business name and the one I'm using here, for example, in my case, I'm going to call my practice, or my practice name is XYZ Healthcare. So again, make sure there's no spaces between each word. Capitals are fine, but make sure there's no spaces between each word. That's the username for your practice. Then choose a password. And I'll confirm my password. Now again, just recapping. First name, last name, put your email address in here. Choose a username, which should be the name of your practice. Then choose a password, must be 6 or more characters, and confirm that password. Now these will be your usernames and password for all of your team members to access stage 1 of the program. So the username is your business name, and then this password here is your first stage password. I then go next. I'm now taken to the payment setup inside my business, which is Physio Professor. So you'll see on your credit card when your payments are processed, the name Physio Professor will be the business name. So if you see a processed payment from Physio Professor, that's for your 1 Minute Practice license. So this is a 1 to 10 1 Minute Practice user license for $98 plus $199 half price setup. So total $297 Australian dollars now, and then $98 Australian dollars each 30 days. Maybe you can cancel any time by emailing us admin@healthbusinessprofits.com. So I'm going to go ahead, enter my first name, my last name. I'm then going to put my payment information in, and I press submit. We then enter the username and the password we just selected to join the program. Remember, the username was our business name. So it was, in my case, XYZ Healthcare. I enter my password. Now remember, this is the same username and password that all of your team and yourself use to access stage 1 of the program. You know you're in stage 1 of the program because it's AMember Pro at the top, which is the management system that protects access to the program. So I put my business name, which is the username I chose, my password, and I go login. As you can see, I'm now logged into the program and have access to all of the features and functions inside 1 Minute Practice. So my setup, where I can add new team members, my current user list, registers, key performance indicators, checklists, resources, and the setup functions inside 1 Minute Practice. So go ahead, set up your other team members and enjoy your program.